Book summary, Mega Tech, Technology in 2050 by Daniel Franklin. Ever wonder how technology will shape our world in 2050? This question isn't just a casual thought or a passing musing, it's an inquiry into the very essence of our future, an exploration of the realm of possibility. It's a tantalizing proposition, a doorway into a world where artificial intelligence isn't an emerging field, but a common fixture, as ubiquitous as smartphones are today. As we delve into this intriguing notion, let's imagine for a moment a world where bioengineering isn't a cutting-edge discipline but the standard norm. A world where genetic modifications have become commonplace, enabling us to eradicate diseases, enhance human capabilities, and even create new forms of life. It's a world that may feel far-fetched or even fantastical, but it's a world that may be only a few decades away. The definition of work, too, will likely be transformed. What we think of as jobs today may have undergone a radical shift. Automation and robotics might have taken over many tasks, freeing humans from repetitive, mundane tasks, and allowing us to focus on more creative, fulfilling pursuits. It's a prospect that brings both excitement and apprehension. Excitement for the possibilities it opens up, apprehension for the uncertainties it brings. This vision of the future, however, isn't just a product of wild speculation. It's a carefully considered projection by Daniel Franklin in his captivating book, Mega Tech, Technology in 2050. In this insightful collection of essays, Franklin doesn't just make predictions, he takes us on a journey. A journey through the next couple of decades, a journey that explores the potential and the pitfalls of the future that awaits us. The book isn't just about the rise of AI or the transformation of work, it's a comprehensive exploration of how technology could revolutionize every aspect of our lives. From healthcare to transportation, from education to entertainment, Franklin paints a vivid and detailed picture of what the world might look like come 2050. He touches upon the potential societal, economic, and even psychological impacts of these changes, providing a nuanced and balanced perspective. But what exactly does future technology mean? It's a term that's often thrown around, but its meaning is fluid, constantly evolving. It isn't just about the latest gadgets, the most powerful computers, or the most sophisticated software. It's about how these technological advancements could redefine our societies, altering how we live, work, and interact with each other. It's about understanding the potential impacts of these changes, the possibilities they open up and the challenges they bring. The potential impact of these changes can be profound, both in positive and negative ways. The increasing digitization of our lives could lead to greater convenience and efficiency, but it could also bring about issues of privacy and security. The democratization of information could empower individuals, but it could also spread misinformation and propaganda. Understanding these dualities, these shades of gray, is crucial as we navigate towards the future. As we embark on this journey through the book, we'll delve into each of the 20 points Franklin discusses. We'll explore the various ways in which technology could shape our world, and discuss what we can do to ensure that these advancements are inclusive, that they benefit everyone and not just the privileged few. This journey isn't just for tech enthusiasts or futurists, it's for anyone curious about the world of tomorrow, anyone who wants to contribute to shaping a better future. After all, the future isn't something that simply happens, it's something we create, something we shape. And technology is one of the most powerful tools we have to shape it. It's about sparking conversations, igniting debates, inspiring action. It's about embracing the unknown, stepping into the future with an open mind, an open heart, and a sense of responsibility. As we embark on this journey, let's remember that the future is not a destination, but a process, a journey we undertake together. It's about collaboration, about shared visions and collective efforts. It's about taking steps, however small, towards creating a world that's better, fairer, and more sustainable. So, are you ready to dive into the future? Imagine a world where robots and AI are as common as smartphones. Envision a future where artificial intelligence and robotics are as ubiquitous as the handheld devices that have become an integral part of our lives today. This is not a figment of science fiction. It's a future that's probable, realistic, and closer than we imagine. Let's take a moment to reflect on the present. Every day, we're surrounded by technology that was unthinkable a few decades ago. Imagine explaining a smartphone or the internet to someone from the 1950s. It would seem like magic or pure science fiction. This is precisely the kind of leap we're looking at when we talk about the world of 2050 as visualized by Daniel Franklin in his book, Mega Tech, Technology in 2050. As we start exploring this incredible vision, the first point from Franklin's book paints a future where artificial intelligence isn't just a gadget or a luxury, but an inherent part of our everyday life. It's that pivotal transition from novelty to necessity that distinguishes the world of the future from ours today. We're talking about a future where AI influences everything around us, from our jobs to our personal relationships. Imagine waking up to a personal AI assistant that knows your morning routine better than you do, that optimizes your day for productivity, and even suggests lifestyle changes based on your health data. This is a world where your self-driving car knows your schedule and routes, where your AI friend can provide emotional support, and your AI tutor personalizes your learning experience. Think about a world that's interconnected not just through the internet but also through artificial intelligence. In this world, AI isn't just a tool, it's an active participant, a collaborator, a companion. It's a future where every device, every machine learns from you, adapts to you, and even helps you evolve. Imagine a world that's incredibly efficient, where AI handles repetitive tasks and complex calculations, and we focus on creativity, innovation, and human connection. A world where traffic jams and electricity wastage are things of the past, where health data analysis helps prevent diseases before they even occur, where education is personalized to every learner's needs. But along with efficiency, this future might bring along unpredictability. It's intriguing to think about how a world so heavily influenced by AI will evolve. Will AI help us solve our most pressing problems? Or will it present challenges we haven't even imagined yet? Will it make our world more uniform or more diverse? Only time will tell. It's a future that will be shaped by us, by our choices, and our actions. The technology 2050 might seem like magic to us today, just like the smartphone would seem to someone from the 1950s. But it's a future we're hurtling towards, one innovation at a time. This vision is not a forecast or a prediction, it's an invitation to dream, to innovate, to shape the future. It's a chance for us to redefine our relationship with technology, to make it work for us, and not just the other way around. In a world where AI is just as common as smartphones, the possibilities are endless. What if we could design our babies or extend our lifespans? This intriguing question opens up a Pandora's box of possibilities and ethical dilemmas grappling with the potential future of bioengineering. Envision a world where the science of manipulating biological organisms, systems, and processes is as commonplace as a visit to a grocery store. Imagine walking into a medical clinic, and instead of getting a flu shot, you walk out with an altered genetic code. In his futuristic book Megatech, scientist and author Franklin throws light on this intriguing concept. He suggests that by the year 2050, we could be at a stage where we can modify our DNA at will, much like a software engineer tweaks lines of codes to create a desired outcome. We could use bioengineering not only to prevent diseases, but we could also improve our physical prowess. This vision extends the potential of human capabilities to levels beyond our imagination, bringing us closer to the realm of science fiction than ever before. The concept of customizing our children's features, for instance, is an exhilarating yet disturbing idea. The thought of picking and choosing your child's eye color, hair texture, height, and even intelligence level seems like a fantasy novel plot. But this could become our reality if bioengineering becomes the norm. Would you choose to give your child blue eyes? Or would you prefer to enhance their cognitive abilities? But with every breakthrough comes a set of challenges, and in this case, these challenges extend beyond the realm of science and technology. The ethical dilemmas that could arise from such advancements are numerous and complex. Who gets to decide what traits are desirable? Who gets to play God? It would be a world where the wealthy have the potential to manufacture perfect, leaving the less privileged at a disadvantage. This could create a socio-economic divide so wide, it might be impossible to bridge. And then comes the question of diversity. Our world is beautifully diverse, each of us unique in our own ways. But in a world where specific traits are deemed desirable, what happens to this diversity? We end up creating a monotonous human race, where everyone looks the same, thinks the same, and displays the same skill set. The thought is not only alarming but also heartbreaking. These are thought-provoking questions that society will have to grapple with if bioengineering becomes a reality. We'll need to tread carefully on this new path, balancing the potential benefits with the ethical implications. It will be a delicate dance between technological advancement and moral responsibility. Decisions we make will not only shape the future of bioengineering but also define the future of humanity. As we steer towards this potentially new era, we must remember that our actions today will shape our world tomorrow. We must be prepared to face the consequences of our choices, and we must be willing to adapt, learn, and grow with the changing times. The future of bioengineering is a vast expanse of uncharted territory. It's an exciting yet daunting prospect. Bioengineering could potentially redefine what it means to be human. As we stand at the precipice of such a transformation, we must ask ourselves, are we ready to take this leap? Are we prepared to redefine our existence? Only time will tell. What will the future of work look like in a world overrun by AI and robotics? This is a question that stirs a curious mix of anticipation and uncertainty in the minds of many. As we stand on the cusp of a technological revolution, it becomes essential to delve into the implications of a tomorrow where the line distinguishing humans from machines is not just blurred, but almost entirely erased. Megatech, an enlightening book written by the insightful Daniel Franklin, attempts to explore this intriguing ideology in all its intricacies. The book is structured around a series of 20 thought-provoking points, each casting light on a unique aspect of the imposing yet fascinating AI and robotics-driven world that lies ahead of us. These points unravel the exciting, occasionally unsettling but undeniably promising future, wherein technology does not aim to obliterate jobs, but rather intends to transform them into something new, something dynamic, and something never seen before. The first of the 20 points embarks on a journey into a world where routine tasks are taken over by efficient robots and advanced AI technologies. This development, rather than rendering humans redundant, liberates us to plunge into more creatively stimulating and strategically challenging roles. It paves the way for a shift in focus from mundane, repetitive tasks to those that require a unique human touch, such as artistic pursuits, strategic thinking, and interpersonal relationships. The subsequent points elucidate how our professional lives will transmogrify in response to this technological revolution. They illustrate a future where our jobs are not so much replaced as reshaped, where AI and robotics function as tools to augment human capabilities rather than as replacements for human workers. The middle points of megatech broaden the horizon, painting a vivid picture of a tech-saturated tomorrow. They show a future where technology is so deeply woven into the fabric of our lives that it becomes an omnipresent entity. The book further highlights that the integration of AI and robotics would not drain the value from our working lives. Instead, it would enrich them, opening up new avenues of growth, exploration, and innovation that were previously unimaginable. The later points delve deeper into the societal implications of AI and robotics, touching upon issues of ethics, accountability, and regulation. They explore the potential challenges that this new world might pose and suggest solutions to navigate them successfully. As we near the end, the narrative of megatech emphasizes that in a world where AI and robotics take the reins, the traditional concept of work will undergo a radical transformation. This won't be a slow, gradual shift, but a monumental upheaval that will redefine how and approach our professional lives. The book concludes with the 20th point, which represents the culmination of the journey through this transformation. It reinforces the idea that the future of work won't be a dystopian landscape of jobless humans, but a vibrant ecosystem wherein technology and humanity coexist, interact, and evolve together. The 20 points of megatech provide a comprehensive walkthrough of this metamorphosis. They guide us through the fascinating labyrinth of possibilities that the fusion of robotics heralds, serving as a roadmap to the future of work that lies ahead. Each point, each revelation, is a step into an uncharted territory, a leap into the unknown. They collectively paint a nuanced picture of a future where our working lives are not diminished but rather magnified and enhanced in ways we can barely begin to comprehend. In the world where AI and robotics reign supreme, the traditional notion of work will undergo a phenomenal transformation. The 20 points of megatech take us through this metamorphosis, providing us with a comprehensive glimpse into the future of... So, what does all this mean for us? What does the future of technology in 2050 look like based on the insights from Daniel Franklin's book, Megatech? In our exploration, we took a deep dive into the heart of artificial intelligence. This technological advancement is not just a simple progression, but potentially a redefining force that could change the very fabric of our civilization. From the conveniences brought about by self-driving cars, to the mind-boggling capabilities of intricate algorithms that have the potential to outsmart the most brilliant human minds, AI is not a distant concept but a reality infiltrating our daily lives. However, the advent of such incredible power also brings with it unprecedented responsibility. The need for comprehensive ethical guidelines is more pressing than ever to ensure that the immense power of AI is employed responsibly, preventing misuse and potential catastrophe. Next, our journey took us to the intriguing world of bioengineering. Picture a future where deadly diseases could potentially be wiped out before they even begin, where our physical and mental capabilities could be magnified to previously unimaginable levels. We could even venture into the realm of creating life in a laboratory. To many, this might sound like the stuff of science fiction, but the reality could be closer than we think. Lastly, we delved into the future of work. With automation and AI looming on the horizon, threatening to replace many traditional jobs, what will work look like in 2050? As the monotonous routine tasks become automated, opportunities for creativity and innovation will come to the forefront. This shift could not only redefine our concept of work but also the fabric of our society. However, let's not overlook the fact that these are just a fraction of the 20 points discussed in Franklin's enlightening book. Each point uncovers a doorway to a potential future, some exhilarating, some unsettling. The future, as we've seen, is unpredictable, teeming with surprises. Yet, isn't that what adds excitement? The allure of the future lies in its uncertainty. It is akin to an unwritten book, a story waiting to unfold. And we, as the authors of this story, possess the power to shape it. Every choice we make and each step we take can alter the trajectory of this narrative. So, as we hover on the precipice of this brave new world, we must remember that the future is not merely something that happens to us. It is we actively create. Each of us holds the power to shape the future we wish to inhabit. As we hurtle towards 2050, one thing is certain: the future of technology is full of endless possibilities. And on that note, we conclude our journey into the future. Remember, the future is not something to fear, but something to shape. Until next time, stay curious. Key takeaways from the book. Part 1. Setting the scene. Forecasting the future. The book acknowledges the difficulty of predicting the future, but uses past trends and emerging technologies to speculate on potential developments. Drivers of change. Science, economics, and human behavior are identified as key drivers shaping the future of technology. Global impact. Megatrends like climate change and population growth are considered in the context of technological advancements. Part 2. Tools and platforms. Physics and biology. Breakthroughs in these fields could lead to new materials, energy sources, and medical treatments. Artificial intelligence. AI's potential to revolutionize various industries and potentially pose ethical concerns is discussed. Brain-computer interfaces. The possibility of merging human and machine intelligence is explored. Networks and connectivity. The future of the internet, including its speed, accessibility, and potential downsides, is examined. Part 3. Mega industries. Food and agriculture, lab-grown meat, vertical farming, and personalized nutrition are potential future trends. Energy. Renewable energy sources like solar and fusion are expected to play a bigger role. Manufacturing, 3D printing, and automation could revolutionize manufacturing processes. Healthcare, personalized medicine, advanced diagnostics, and robotic surgery are potential advancements. Transportation, self-driving cars, flying cars, and hyperloop technology are potential future modes of transport. Military. Concerns about autonomous weapons and the impact of technology on warfare are raised. Global impact. Megatrends like climate change and population growth are considered in the context of technological advancements. Part 4. Social and ethical implications. Job displacement. Automation could lead to widespread job losses requiring societal adaptation and reskilling efforts. Privacy and security. The increasing use of data and surveillance technologies raises privacy concerns. Inequality. The potential for technology to exacerbate social and economic inequalities is discussed. The human factor. The importance of ethical considerations and human values in the development and use of technology is emphasized. Overall, Megatech offers a thought-provoking exploration of potential future technologies and their impact on various aspects of life. The book encourages readers to consider the potential benefits and risks of these technologies and to engage in discussions about their responsible development and use. Thank you for watching and sharing. By Book Summary by PM.